Can you imagine a world where you can print anything from shoes to houses? Welcome to the future of 3D printing. This isn't just a glimpse into a sci-fi movie, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of making three-dimensional solid objects from a digital file. By laying down successive layers of material until an object is created, 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume goods. Imagine the possibilities from the fashion industry to the medical field, from automotive to aerospace. 3D printing is set to disrupt traditional manufacturing processes. This technology allows us to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. It's a game changer for sustainability, reducing waste, and making use of recycled materials. Picture this: a world where you can print your very own pair of shoes, customized to your exact size and design preference. A world where organ shortages are a thing of the past, thanks to 3D printed organs. A world where construction of houses is not only faster and cheaper, but also more eco-friendly with the use of locally sourced materials. And the future of 3D printing is not limited to the ground we walk on. It's also about reaching for the stars. With plans to use 3D printing for building habitats on Mars, we're not just redefining the boundaries of manufacturing, but also of human exploration. But 3D printing is not just about creating objects. It's about changing the way we live and work. It's about democratizing manufacturing, empowering individuals and businesses to create at the point of need. The future of 3D printing is not just about creating objects, but also about changing the way we live and work. So buckle up, because this is just the beginning. The 3D printing revolution is here, and it's here to stay. Now let's dive into the top 5 3D printers that are leading the way in this technology revolution. First up on our list is the MakerBot Replicator Plus. Known for its high print quality and speed, this printer stands out due to its cloud-enabled MakerBot print software, which allows for seamless integration with professional design tools. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. The downfall of the Replicator Plus is its price, which can be a bit steep for hobbyists and those on a budget. Next, we have the Ultimaker S5. This printer is renowned for its versatility, supporting a wide array of materials. It also has an easy-to-use touchscreen interface and dual extrusion capabilities. The downside? Its print speed is slower compared to others, which can be a setback for those seeking high-speed performance. Thirdly, we have the Formlabs Form 3. This printer is a step up in 3D printing technology, utilizing low-force stereolithography to deliver incredible detail and surface finish. But, like the Replicator Plus, this printer comes with a hefty price tag, which might deter budget-conscious users. The fourth printer on our list is the Prusa V3 MK3. This is a favorite among the DIY crowd for its open-source nature and affordability. It offers impressive print quality and a variety of materials compatibility. However, keep in mind that this one requires assembly, which might not be everyone's cup of tea. Last but not least, we have the Creality Ender 3 V2. This printer is known for its excellent value for money. It offers decent print quality and a semi-assembled kit, making it a great option for beginners. However, its software is not as user-friendly as the others, so there might be a learning curve involved. These are the top 5 3D printers in the market, each with its own unique features and capabilities. But remember, the best 3D printer for you depends on your specific needs and budget. 3D printing is not just about the machines, but also about the amazing things they can create. This technology is constantly evolving, with recent developments pushing the boundaries of what we previously thought possible. Let's start with housing. Italian architecture firm Mario Cucinella Architects has developed Tekla, the world's first 3D printed home made from clay. This innovation isn't just about creating unique designs, but it's a response to the global housing crisis and a step towards promoting sustainability. By using locally sourced soil mixed with water, rice husk fibers, and a minimal amount of binder, Tekla is a low-waste solution that leaves a smaller carbon footprint compared to traditional construction methods. The process is easily taught and widely usable, making it a viable option for underserved rural areas. Although printing with clay has its challenges, such as a slower process and height limitations, the ambition is not to replicate the same home everywhere, but to adapt the design to different climates. Moving from homes to footwear, Helos, a 3D printed footwear company, is making strides in the industry. With a recent $3 million investment, including funding from former Nike executives. Helios aims to reduce waste and expedite production by using 3D printing technology. Their approach allows for the production of shoes within 72 hours of purchase, using 3D printers right here in the United States. They're even using recycled materials for their soles, offering the potential for 100% recyclability. Their work showcases how 3D printing can revolutionize industries by bringing production closer to home and minimizing waste. These developments are just the tip of the iceberg of what 3D printing can achieve. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications that challenge our notions of what's possible. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the exciting future of 3D printing, a technology that's breaking new ground and revolutionizing industries. From small batch production to the construction of sustainable houses, 3D printing is proving its versatility and potential. We took a close look at the top 5 3D printers in the market, each with its unique offerings and strengths. These machines are at the forefront of this technological revolution, enabling creators to bring their ideas to life with precision and efficiency. We also highlighted recent developments in the world of 3D printing, such as the innovative use of a 3D printing pen as a repair tool, the potential of 3D printed organs to address the global organ shortage, and the creation of sustainable footwear using 3D printing. As we continue to explore the possibilities of 3D printing, one thing is clear: this technology is here to stay and will play a significant role in shaping our future. Thank you for joining us in this journey into the world of 3D printing.